What roast is best for espresso? Espresso is one of the most popular coffee drinks around the world. However, if you want to make the perfect cup of espresso, you need to choose the right type of roast. In this video, we will explore the basics of dark roasted coffee, determine which roast type is the best for espresso, and demonstrate how to brew the perfect espresso at home. Dark roasted coffee, the basics. Espresso is one of the most popular drinks on the planet, and for good reason. It's delicious, it's easy to make, and it can be enjoyed in many different ways. One of the key ingredients in espresso is dark roast coffee beans, and learning about this type of coffee is essential if you want to achieve the perfect cup every time. Dark roast espresso beans are roasted at a lower temperature than other types of coffee beans, which enhances their aroma and flavor. These beans also add a hint of caramelization and smoky taste to your espresso. Different roasting styles for espresso coffee. When it comes to espresso, there are a variety of roasting styles that can be used to produce a unique and delicious cup of coffee. Each roast has its own unique flavor profile that is perfect for different types of coffee drinkers. Light roast espresso is typically lower in acidity and has a brighter flavor than other roasts. This style is great for those who want a brighter and more acidic coffee with less body. It also has a lighter aftertaste, making it the perfect choice for those who want an easygoing cup of joe. Medium roast espresso is a balanced blend of sweetness and acidity that produces a rich flavor with enhanced body. This style is ideal for those who want an espresso with good sweetness and complexity without being too heavy or bitter. It also has a smokier tone with earthier tones that provides depth and complexity to the coffee palate. Dark roast espresso is darker in color and has more intense flavors than other roasts. This style is great for those who are looking for something smokier and earthier in their coffee experience, as well as something with more body and weightiness overall. It can be challenging to drink at first due to its heavier taste, but it's worth it once you get used to it. Which roast type is the best for espresso? First, let's take a look at light roast coffee. Light roast coffee beans are roasted at a lower temperature around 190 degrees Fahrenheit, which results in a mellower flavor with less acidity than other roasts. This type of roast is best suited for those who enjoy milder flavors and those who want to avoid strong coffee tastes. Next, medium roast coffee is roasted at around 205 degrees Fahrenheit and has a slightly more intense flavor than light roast beans. This is the ideal roast for those who like their coffee with more body and robust flavors. Medium roasts can also be used to create rich espresso drinks with lots of flavor complexity. Finally, dark roasts are roasted at temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which results in the strongest flavors possible in your espresso cup. Dark roast coffees can also be bitter, so it's important to experiment with different varieties until you find one that suits your palate. Once you've selected the right roast type for your espresso, it's time to adjust the flavor intensity using different methods such as tampers or grinds before brewing. Be sure to experiment until you find the perfect balance between taste and strength for your particular cup of joe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to watch more.